Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a public CSV link in Google Sheets for WordPress import. This is incredibly useful when you need to automatically pull spreadsheet data into your WordPress site, whether it's for displaying product listings, team directories, or any dynamic content that updates regularly. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you've typed that in, you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. This step is essential because you need to be signed in to access your files and publishing settings. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your recent documents, sheets, and other files. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to create the public CSV link. Simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. This will bring up your data in the familiar Google Sheets interface, ready for the next steps. Now that your spreadsheet is open, look toward the top of the screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Click on File, which will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From this menu, navigate down and click on Share. This will reveal another submenu with sharing options, and from there you'll want to click on Publish to Web. This feature is what allows you to make your data publicly accessible in various formats. A dialog box will appear with publishing options. You'll notice the first drop-down menu at the top of this dialog. Click on it and you'll see choices like entire document or individual sheet names if your spreadsheet contains multiple tabs. Choose entire document if you want to publish all your data, or select a specific sheet if you only need certain information to be public. This gives you control over exactly what data gets exposed. Right beside that first dropdown, you'll see another menu. Click on this second dropdown and look for the option that says comma separated values, also known as CSV. Select this format as it's the standard file type that WordPress plugins and import tools recognize and can easily process. Once you've configured both dropdowns correctly, you're ready to make it live. Click the Publish button at the bottom of the dialog box. A confirmation message will pop up asking you to verify that you want to publish this content to the web. Go ahead and click OK to confirm your choice. This finalizes the publishing process and generates your public link. After confirming, the dialog box will display your newly created public CSV link. This URL is what you'll copy and paste into your WordPress import tool or plugin. The link will automatically update whenever you make changes to your Google Sheet, making it a dynamic solution for keeping your WordPress content current. And that's it. You now have a public CSV link from Google Sheets that's ready to use with WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.